Today I will show you how to do kurta cutting in a very easy way. So watch the video till the end. Assalamu alaikum Nazreen and hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Dolly Fatima Fashion Designer. Let's start. I have laid out the fabric for the cutting. Now I am folding on old kurta and placing it on top to use as a measurement. I am holding the shoulder to mark the cutting line. As you can see, the shoulder length of the kurta is coming out to 7 inches. The shoulder to armhole line is 7.5 inches. I am marking the chest measurement straight from here. The length from the shoulder to the armhole is 7.5 inches. Draw the chest line from armhole. Next, draw the line from the shoulder to armhole. From the shoulder to the waistline is 14 inches. After that, hip line is 20 inches from the shoulder line. Connect all the marking lines together. I have added 1.5 inches margin. The total length of the kurta is 36 inches. Draw the straight line from the hip line. Draw a line at the kurta bottom. Shoulder line is 7 inches. Shoulder from to armhole line is 7.5 inches. Chest line is 10 inches. Waistline is 9 inches and hip line is 11 inches. Mark half an inches inside the line and outside the line. Armhole shape is done. Now I mark the shoulder down line half an inch. Now I am going to do the cutting. I will start cutting from the bottom. First I cut the back part of the kurta. Now I will do the deep cutting for the front part. Now I am going to do the sleeve cutting. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more design. Assalamu alaikum.